It's very helpful and easy to add a goal to your Google Analytics account. Basically, you'll go into your account that you've created, go into the particular profile that you want to add the goal to. You'll click on Goals right here, and you basically will just fill out the form. It's pretty simple. You want to give it a name, so let's just call this, for simple purposes, a purchase. It's active. We're going to make this a URL destination. That basically means that if the visitor ends up on this URL, it's going to record it as a goal, and it's going to make note of that. And so let's, for example, just place in here a URL. And in this example, I'm going to use a thank you page. Now, if you want it to be an exact match, this exact URL, then you want to choose exact match. If you want it to be a head match, you use that. If you want it to be a regular expression match, you'll use that. Exact match means it's going to match this exactly, of course, because sometimes some URLs will pass along some variables, some information, and you want to make sure that if you are passing that information along, it's not going to be the same every time. So you'll use like a regular expression match or a head match, and that means that you would actually just put in the information there. If you want this to be case sensitive, then you'd also obviously, of course, click this. This one's a little interesting. If every purchase is approximately the same value, then you would put in the optional particular value that you think this would represent to you. And so it's kind of hard if you have a whole shopping cart full of information there, but if you do sell one particular item and that item equals $50 value, then you'd put in $50, and that way Google will show you, hey, this has equaled up to about $50 each time you reach this goal. To use a funnel means that there might be several steps to get to this particular spot here. And so for each step, say for example you have the home page, which is already being tracked. You have the next step, which might be the purchase page or whatever it is. You might even have a step after that, which is like an upsell type page where you try to sell them something else, and then they finally end up on the thank you page. And so you can add additional steps to show the path that they took to get to this spot. And that's basically it. You just hit the save button, and that's all there is.